after we will see. So you can't go like a jerk. No, no.
What's up, guys? I'm checking out Prince, Violet, the Organ Grinder. I have not heard this song before, and I have not seen this music video, but this was released as a song off of the Get Off single, and I love Get Off, man. That's such a good song. And recently, I watched Coming to America 2 finally, and they like kind of in a way like used it in that movie, and like when I heard that song, bro, holy crap, I just went crazy. Like that was so cool. That was such a good moment in that film, probably the only good moment, to be honest. But yeah. So another thing also, I was kind of reading up on this, mother popcorn thing, the lyrics in Get Off, where he says, I like 'em fat, I like 'em proud, you gotta have a mother for me, now move your big. Well, we all know the lyrics, but so apparently that's him like basically like giving an ode to like James Brown's "His Mother Popcorn" song, which I did not know at the moment. So I think that's pretty cool. That is definitely pretty cool. One of the people he looked up to, he kind of gives him an ode in that song. But yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and check out Violet, the Organ Grinder, the official music video. Let's go. Usually I like to do lyrics with Prince, but music video, hey, we'll just let it pass. And that scream there in the beginning.
The organ grinder, and I grind all the live long day. I live for the organ that I am grinding. I'll die, but I won't go away.
Another room and an image of you sweetly appeared in the mirror. Perhaps you recall you and I were neatly in the middle of a crystal ball. And it now serves as a reminder on the wall of you and I in the organ grinder in the greatest concert of them all.
I like that.
Violet, the organ grinder, and I grind all the long day. I live for the organ. Did you know that I still have your stockings? I keep them in a drawer next to your brassiere. Come hither, my sweet, lend me your attention. Come hither, lend me your ear. I do believe my piano was stolen. I do believe that you want me near. Well, I can deal with a sucker if he's in your mouth, but I can't deal with insincere. I'm the one that lives in your heart.
This is pretty good. It's basically like,
no matter what
I'm getting from it so far is basically like Get Off Part 2. But yeah, this is pretty good so far. Very interesting music video.
Grinding on you every day. Violet, the organ grinder, and I grind all the long day. Wait a minute, I think you better trip on this. I took all the pictures you gave me, and I placed them right under my bed. And I pumped till the gasm just jumped from my feet to the top of my head. Oh boy, I'm Violet, the organ grinder, and I grind all the long day. I live
Yo, Prince was, yeah, he was on another level.
I'll die, but I will not go away.
He's literally the reason why this exists. So let's not forget that.
Like a puppy, I licked your devotion. From your neck, from your eyes, from your ears. When you cried, I became your emotion. And if you ever cry like that again, I'll be
production, bro.
And I grind all the live long day. I live for the organ. For the organ and grind. I am grinding. I'll die, but I won't go away. Now eat me.
Yeah, that's nice. Like the production on this track was pretty incredible. The music video was definitely a bit interesting, but I mean that is Prince. I'm kind of used to it now, but well, not completely used to it, but it's just like I'm like more I guess more used to it, not completely used to it though, because like every time like I think I've seen it all, he just out of the blue, boom, just surprised you with something completely just out of, something you just couldn't have thunk of or thought of. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed this one, man, for sure. I thought the production on this one was real good, and the fact that to me it came off basically as like a Get Off Part Two, but just like a with a different production and everything. I thought it was nice, man, for sure. I really enjoyed it, and Get Off is such an amazing song, on its own. But yeah, that was Violet the Organ Grinder. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.